Rob, brother, I think this is the model you're interested in. Uh, Initial thoughts. As you can see, it will rust over time if it's exposed to the elements. Maybe some debris, bits of debris can get in these gaps around. These gaps here are even down here, and mice can get in there. Let's go around it. Show you the inside. You're going to have to do something to prevent this rust if it's going to be outside. Sit down on one of these benches. It's comfortable. Plenty of room above my head. About 3 or 4 inches. See what I mean down there? You have mice coming in down there, possibly, and other critters. Unless you can find some way to sell it. Hey, kitty. That's the other one. But you could comfortably sit 2 people. You can even squeeze over here. I'm squeezed all the way against the wall. If need be, you could fit 4 people in here on these benches. Then another one squatting right here in the center, or 2. Someone my size, you could fit 4 people in here on these benches. Once again, if you're exposed outside, you could have little tiny bits of debris come through there, but maybe worst case scenario, rain, dirt. Have some safety goggles on in here. With these little holes here. Door. I don't know, maybe once it's mounted on a foundation, maybe that won't be exposed down there. I don't know. That's how you close it. Just the bar out there. And there's another one down here on the bottom. So there's three of them. Handle. All right, I'm pretty sure that's the model you're looking at. Other models they have down here are smaller ones underneath the stairs. Hey, get off my truck. All right.